Happy first day of October. I can't believe it's already October. End of the year, basically. My phone picked out Villains and Misunderstood by ColourPop. I really love this. It's my favorite ColourPop palettes that I have, and my Project Pan colors right here. If I can show you. And these are the colors I'll be using today. I got them swatched. So my phone picked out the colors and I was like, you know what, I'm going to add this onto my Project Pan. And I really do enjoy the color story. So I'm going to use this brush and pop on the shimmer for the inner corner to decide on what I want to use for my eye. Look. I switched everything around on my desk because I usually go in one particular spot and then I want to switch it up with my background, I guess, to show more. I don't think the other way was showing how pigmented the colors were going on my face, so that's why I got you in a different area to show you more pigmentation on the colors. Just going in the inner portion with the shimmer. So I used that one already, and now I'm going in with this one. This neutral look, I don't know, neutral. Just in the base area, because if I do a colorful look, sometimes I just like having colors on my lid and then neutral on the top. Yes, there is fallout in this palette, but I really do enjoy the color story, and it really shows up pretty good on my lids. So I'm going in with the darker purple, which is in my Project Pan, in the outer portion of the lid. Okay, and I'm going in with this purple. No, I'm going in with this orange, not purple. Just going in. All over the rest of the lid. The purple. So I got this glitter glue. Just gonna put it in the crease area, trying to line that in there. Okay. It's hard using the glitters like this and making it stay is the hardest. Then it just goes all over your eye within time. Time goes by, it's all over. For me, at least. That was just way too freaking hard to do these glitters and try to make it stay. And this is like really thick on, and this is thinner on there. Feels like it's coming off. Maybe this formula is getting drier. I don't know. But that is in my project pan, so I'm gonna try to deal with it. Okay, now I'm going into that purple in here. That was just a mess. Just going in my lower lash. Okay, that is the finished look. That's probably why I don't wear the glitters that much, because it's just getting harder for me. But I don't know, I really like the look. The purple is pretty, the orange is pretty. Let's fix it up a little bit. I keep adding the orange in, and there's like mascara. There still is mascara, but that's the finished look. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. By the way, I'm using the Wet n Wild, the purple one I have, called, in my waterline, Purple Violet. So that is what I'm wearing, my waterline. So yeah, thank you for watching, and that's the final look. Bye for now.